Struggling with messy video scripts? Creators often face unclear narratives, inconsistent tones, and awkward grammar when drafting engaging video content. Every script can lose momentum through rough structure and disjointed ideas. Writers stumble over misplaced commas, clumsy phrasing, and lack of clarity that undermines the intended message. This challenge can leave even the most experienced creators feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and disconnected from their creative vision. Imagine transforming your draft into a polished, production-ready masterpiece. With Grammarly, common script challenges vanish as real-time suggestions reveal the pathway to a clearer narrative. Grammar issues are corrected instantly, tone is recalibrated, and style emerges refined. Each change reinforces your message, ensuring that every sentence resonates with your target audience and maintains an engaging flow. See the transformation in action. A basic draft morphs into an inspiring script through Grammarly's innovative features. Real-time grammar and spell checking detect errors as they appear, while the tone detector analyzes word choice, phrasing, and punctuation to ensure your text matches your desired emotion. Practical improvements guide your script from confusion to coherence, balancing professionalism with creative flair. The result is a script that captivates viewers with every word. Grammarly's tone rewrite suggestions empower you to adjust your message, making it more personable and confident. Your script gains momentum as each edit brings clarity and emotion. Whether you are preparing a casual vlog or a formal presentation, Grammarly adapts your language to convey the right message. By eliminating distractions like awkward sentence structures and grammatical hiccups, your ideas shine with newfound brilliance. Now is the moment to bridge the gap between rough drafts and compelling narratives. Embrace actionable tips from Grammarly to refine grammar, customize tone, and elevate overall style. Discover how practical tool integrations, such as compatibility with Google Docs and Microsoft Word, streamline your editing process while preserving your unique voice. With each suggestion and correction, you reclaim creative control over your work, transforming uncertainty into confidence. Let each correction be a stepping stone. Feel the assurance as every edit polishes your tone and sharpens your voice. With Grammarly's guidance, each sentence evolves with clarity, fueling your passion for storytelling. Embrace this journey toward excellence. Let your words truly shine brightly. Elevate your video scripts with Grammarly's intelligent transformation. Empower your storytelling journey and watch your ideas come alive on screen. Start refining your drafts today and transform your script from average to outstanding.